Here's my Blackstone. Well, imitation Blackstone. It's a Royal Gourmet, and it seems to be working for me. I found it on Amazon. I'll put a link below. And today, I'm going to show you how we make our extreme Smashburgers. Okay, on today's Blackstone masterpiece, we're going with Smashburgers. Oh yeah, here. And my vegetarian wife thinks that we should eat organic ground beef, so it's only 85. What's 100 minus 85? 15. You should go with 80-20 or 70-30, but she thinks we should be healthy. Smashburgers. All right, so the first thing you want to do is go ahead and cut you up some onions. And if you don't know how to cut onions, well, there's probably no hope for you. Please don't cry. Everything's gonna be okay. We're having Smashburgers. So get those onions cut up the way you like them. I like to leave them a little bit thicker. And then we're going with some very thick bacon. This is from a local smokehouse, and let me tell you, it's absolutely amazing. And then what you want to do is go ahead and cut your hamburger open, and you're going to put it in this bowl. Today we're going with 1 pound. We're going to make 4 burgers. I wouldn't go any less. And then what you're going to do is you're going to season the burger. Here's some Lowry seasoning salt, and then some steak seasoning that I love. And what I'm doing here is I'm putting it on top of the burger, and then I'm going to mix it all in there with my hands. Going to get that seasoning all over that meat. You want all of your meat flavored, not just the top. Once you get all mixed up, make your patties. And why not? A little more seasoning, a little more love on top. Alright, the Blackstone, or the imitation Blackstone, which works perfect. It's nice and hot. We're gonna get some oil on here. And bring over the onions. Let's get it going. Just drop the onions on. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get these onions nice and caramelized. We're gonna get them all mixed up in that oil. We're gonna get the bacon started. Who doesn't love bacon? Hear that sizzle? Alright, so I'm just mixing up the onions here. Gonna get them nice and caramelized. I like them have a little bit of that flavor on there. Just keep them moving around. Got the bacon going. Get everything going. Alright, time to flip the bacon. Look how delicious this is. Almost had one get away, but we got them back. Just a few more minutes, and we'll be ready to get to it. Spread way apart. Here we go. Here's the secret to Smashburgers. You put them on when they're still in the ball. And now the hardest part of the whole process, you can't touch them.
1 minute, I need that part.
You have to leave them sitting here for at least 1 minute. Don't touch them. Just leave them alone.
Don't touch them. 40, 30, 20, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And this is what makes them the Smashburger.
That's right. This is what makes them Smashburgers. After the 1 minute, you give them a good push down. I like to use the parchment paper to try to keep them from sticking, but I'll be honest, it didn't really work well today. If you have a brick or something heavy, it actually works a little bit better. But you just give them a good smash. All your might. What you're doing is you're making them nice and flat. Ow! Don't burn yourself though, okay?
Sorry, it's gonna be hot.
Yeah, there's the one that got away. And then after you smash them, the idea is to not touch them again. And then you're just
looking for this crust. Look at the crust on that. As soon as you see the brown around the edges, you can go ahead and don't do what I did right there. Don't push down on the burgers again. The idea, once you smash them down, you don't have to flatten them again. So just leave them alone. They'll be just fine. Flip them over. You're looking for that nice crust on the outside of the burger. And don't do this. Don't. What was I thinking? Old habits die hard, I guess. On the last one here, I restrained myself. And then once they're done, it takes probably another minute or two. Go ahead and take these onions. Put those nice caramelized onions on top of the Smashburger. Then you're going to put the bacon on after that. Get that bacon on there. About a piece and a half, or 4 pieces per burger. This is really thick, high quality bacon, so about a piece is actually going to be just fine. Then we're going to add the cheese. Today we're going with 2 different kinds of cheese, a sharp cheddar and a mozzarella. You can use sliced cheese if you want. Don't be afraid. It's not scary. It's delicious. And a little bit more cheese. Now here's what I use, is just this pan that you can get at the grocery store. They're just $1 or $2 instead of buying one of those really expensive Blackstone covers to kind of help you steam stuff. Just use one of these cheap disposable pans. They work just fine. Ignore the fact I dropped a bun. And here they are. Smashburgers. Delicious Smashburgers. Enjoy, everyone. See ya!